Welcome to the Bacon Lowdown. Today, we're going to be making a recipe out of the vegan cookbook.
Baked plums.
Baked plums with port. Port means wine. We're not
pomegranate juice.
Pomegranate juice, exactly. Instead of that, that's our substitute for that. You're going to need 8 large plums, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 strips of orange rind, which is orange peel. So we just peeled it off of 1 orange. 2 tablespoons of packed light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons light agave, and 1 cup of vegan port, which is going to be our pomegranate juice. And you're going to preheat at 350 and then split your plums in half and take the pits out. So let's get started. Now that our plums are cut in half, you're gonna leave them cut side up like that. And then you're gonna mix in your cinnamon. You're gonna put your cinnamon in there and your orange rinds. And just put them in there, stuff them in there, right? And then you're gonna sprinkle around your sugar, which is going to be 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. And then you're also going to mix in your agave and your port. And again, for our port, we're gonna be using pomegranate. And then you're gonna bake it for 30 to 40 minutes or until they're soft. Let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Pour the liquid into a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil, so like 5 to 10 minutes till it gets syrupy. And then you're gonna reduce it about 1/3 and pour that syrup all over the plums, and you're all done. All right, now in the oven it goes for 30 to 40 minutes or until the plum is soft. Plums out of the oven, they're nice and soft. Transferred all of our liquid into a pot. Gonna let that simmer down for about 5 to 10 minutes until it turns into a syrup, and then you're gonna pour it back on to the plums and ready to eat. Fork, it's a little hot. Pick it up and bite it. There you go.
It looks like a tomato.
It does look like a tomato. It's kind of sweet, a little sour. Yeah, plums are a little sour. They look fantastic. They smell fantastic.
The taste is okay.
A little too sour for you?
Tastes like a tomato.
Tastes like a tomato?
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it a try later. It smells really good. But super simple, easy recipe to make. So give it a shot. Till next time, have a sweet day.